हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से व्लॉग नहीं किया है, बट आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग अगेन बिकॉज रमज़ान आ गया है। इट इज़ द फर्स्ट रमज़ान टमोरो। टेक्निकली 12 बज गए हैं, सो बेसिकली इन अ फ्यू आवर्स वी हैव टू वेक अप फॉर सहरी। और मेरी आवाज़ बैड कॉफ सिंस द पास्ट 3 weeks आई वांट टू से, और ठीक ही नहीं हो रही है। माय गॉड, आई just can't wait for it to get better. I'm gonna go see a doctor hopefully Monday because कल और परसों बहुत busy days हैं. We have to film one video tomorrow and one video on Sunday, so this weekend is super busy and we're trying to wrap up सारा काम इस हफ्ते because we have a surprise. I don't want to talk about it, but we need to wrap up the काम. But रमज़ान की तैयारियों में हमने क्या क्या कर लिया है। सुबह सहरी के लिए हमने बनाई निहारी और मैकोनी चीज़ रोल्स का बैटर बना लिया। इट्स अमेजिंग। नाउ वी जस्ट गोना मेक सम रोल्स। अभी मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है, सो प्रॉब्ली गोना डू दैट टुमारो। आई मेड माई सेल्फ अ नाइस ग्रीन टी। Maman is just washing the tadka. It is quite late, I'm not gonna lie, it's quite late, and just ignore that pile. But apart from that, we have a good clean house. Oh, what's in that? Oh, aata andar jayega. But yeah, I'm excited for Ramzan. वाइब्स थोड़ी डिफरेंट होंगी इस रमज़ान क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली ये रमज़ान लंदन में है एंड वी आर गोना मिस पाकिस्तान लॉट्स, बट क्या कर सकते हैं, इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज। आई एम एक्साइटेड। हेलो एवरीवन, इट इज़ द फर्स्ट रोज़ा और एनर्जी थोड़ी डाउन है बिकॉज कॉफ़ी की थोड़ी सी आदत लग गई थी तो वो नहीं पी है। आई डू हैव टू फिल्म अ वीडियो टुडे, मगर उससे पहले आई वांट टू मेक माई रोल्स। ये रोल की पट्टियाँ हैं, मैंने थोड़ी देर फ्रिज से बाहर निकाली हैं सो दैट देर ईजी टू लाइक टेक आउट। दैन द रोल का मसाला is chicken cheese masala and this is my mother-in-law's recipe and it is amazing. तो हम वो बनाएंगे। बाकी मैंने ये निकाला है दही फुल्की मसाला, सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक द दही फुल्कीज़ एंड बेसन भी आई थिंक हम रेडी करके रख सकते हैं। एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं ये जेली बना दूँ फॉर आलियान। इट्स पाइनएप्पल जेली। अभी मुझे प्रॉपर पता नहीं है कि मैं कितना रेशो रखूं, सो आज थोड़ा ट्रायल एंड एरर वाला सीन है। आई जस्ट टेकन 3 spoons एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना ऐड अ वी बिट ऑफ वाटर। लेट्स सी हमें कितनी मिलती हैं ये। मैं फ्राई करूँगी, अगर मुझे कम लगेंगी तो आई जस्ट मेक सम मोर। आई एम थिंकिंग वी कैन डू आलू एंड प्याज के पकौड़े एंड नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग वी आर गोना गेट रियली फ्राइड, वी आर गोना ईट ऑल फ्राइड स्टफ। वी डोंट हैव एन एयर फ्रायर। इट इज़ ऑन आवर लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स टू गेट। आई थिंक वी शुड इन्वेस्ट इन एयर फ्रायर क्योंकि ये फ्राइड चीज़ें खा के हम बहुत मोटे होने वाले हैं रमज़ान में। बट क्योंकि आज पहली इफ्तार है तो थोड़ा एहतमाम, रमज़ान का एहतमाम, तो आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं बेसन में सारी चीज़ें डाल के रख दूँ एंड वी कैन डू लाइक प्याज और आलू के पकौड़े। वी डू हैव आलू, वी डू हैव प्याज। ओके, सो मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँगी। आई एम गोना टेक 1 and 2 and 3, और अगर कुछ बचता है ना वो हम कल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई मसला नहीं है। वी आर हेयर टू स्टे, सो या इसमें अब मैं नमक मिर्च और कुछ मसाले डालती हूँ। I know what we put in it, so I'm just gonna try a couple of things and we're gonna see how that turns out. Cooking is an art, okay? It is an art. It is a way of expressing yourself. There is no right and wrong way of doing it. Hold on. लो, अफ्तार होने वाली है, 2 मिनट हैं। क्या हो रहा है इस लाइट के साथ? Moving. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and I've set the table casual filming, so obviously आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा एहतमाम है. We have rolls. दही फुल्की थोड़ी सी मुझसे ख़राब हो गई. We have चाट और पकौड़े जो हैं वो अभी बन रहे हैं. आज हमने सिर्फ आलू के पकौड़े बनाए. Next time I think we're probably also gonna try and do chaat ke pakode and I mean onion ke pakode, and we also have juice, juk pani as my chota baby likes to call it. Yeah, बस अब अजान होने वाली है, उसी का वेट है. Oh, and we also have some really nice khajurs. These are Palestinian khajur हैं, तो we have those and I can't wait to try them. Guys, काफ़ी effort है आज की. और आलियान हर चीज़ को I don't like it, so that is a little annoying, but we have tang. This is like my iftar ka must. Guys, iftar done. Did a lovely video call with my family. हर कोई मुख्तलिफ दुनिया के कोनों में बैठा है, which is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of sad. But I just hope and pray कि कभी ना कभी हम सब साथ हैं. किसी रमज़ान हम साथ वो रमज़ान गुजारें. It's gonna be amazing and epic. Have my siblings and like do a Ramzan together. I don't think मैंने अपने siblings के साथ like सबके साथ रमज़ान बहुत टाइम से किया. I think the last Ramzan we did together was in 2020 and उसके बाद से we haven't. 2020, 2021 ये 2 रमज़ान साथ किए, उसके अलावा हमने 3 रमज़ान साथ किया. So it's been a while. खैर अब टाइम है pack up, clean up. मम्मी कैसा गुजरा आपका पहला रोज़ा? You liked it? My cough is back. Yeah, Ali, what about you? Thumbs up? Good job! Guys, okay, so I did say that we have something happening, and that is we are going to
home.
To home. Where is home? Aren't you?
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Where are we going?
To Pakistan. Guys, हम लोग जा रहे हैं पाकिस्तान. We only have 1 week, so we've just gotten some gifts for everybody. हम बस वो packing कर रहे हैं. Suitcases जो हैं वो निकल चुके हैं, and we are packing. We are going for a while. We're going for a month, which is a long time. Eid वगैरह करके we're gonna come back. But I'm so excited. Let's do this. यान ने अपना एक घर बनाया है. आज आप यहीं पे सोएंगे ना? Yeah. Good night. You can sleep here. Bye bye.
Friday 8:30 flight है तो
My God. I don't like packing, so I put them onto it. मैं कुछ सामान लेके जा रही हूँ यहाँ से, which I'm gonna leave there, and some stuff I'm taking which I want to wear there. So that is going in the case. The task that I was putting aside for the longest time was आलियान के कपड़े जो छोटे हो गए and getting rid of those. वो आज करेंगे because we need to take them back. We're gonna give them away. So let's begin. Hello everyone. आज है 4th रोज़ा. Khansi is a lot better. Last we spoke was 2nd रोज़ा. But we have quite a few things that we need to do. मैंने अभी सिर्फ अपना मुंह धोया. I haven't changed my clothes because आलियान का haircut appointment है. We're gonna do that. But उससे पहले I want to sort the laundry situation out. Oh my God, I just can't keep on top of it. So we've put in another load. We've got 1 load already done. Laundry basket थोड़ी सी रह गई है. I do want to finish it before we go to Pakistan because I don't want dirty laundry to be lying around. So that is the plan. And a really cool order is coming today. मैंने एक नया bag order किया है. So it's gonna come somewhere around 10:30 to 12:30, and I need to sign for it. So I hope it comes before. I don't talk. Then who's gonna talk? Okay, you want to talk. What do you want to say?
I go in Pakistan.
You're going to Pakistan?
And see people's I'm up with cars.
Oh, that's nice. He's gonna play with cars. Anyway, let's get the laundry situation started. मैंने laundry लगा दी है. Lol, look at the screen, it's going crazy. But I just wanted to show you what I've been using. I use this. Basically this is amazing. इससे ना आपके कपड़ों में क्या ज़बरदस्त खुशबू आती है. It's honeysuckle and sandalwood, and it makes the clothes so incredibly soft. And I've recently started putting this. This is the scent booster, but I hate the packaging. हमेशा ये दिखते हैं. Like look at that. You can probably still see some on the floor. I did pick them up. 2-3 दफ़ा मैं इसको उठा चुकी हूँ. So I hate the packaging. I'm probably gonna transfer it to something else. but this actually इससे पहले वाला जो मैंने लिया था ना, the Unstoppable one, that had a better scent. This is nice, but it's not as good as the other one. Ali Jani, I'm talking. Can you not throw the ball? Yeah, that's happening. Sadka box. Oh, that's a cute box. Guys, नवान को ऑफिस की तरफ से रमज़ान मुबारक का बॉक्स आया है, सदका बॉक्स. Oh, इसमें तो कॉइन डाल सकते हैं. Oh, that's a good idea. Put some money and then we can put sadka. Oh, these are dates. Suddenly got a lot of dates. Guys, in a span of 5 minutes since my last clip, जिसमें मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि खजूर आए, we had a fiasco, which is Aliyan cut his hand. हमने जो कैंची जिसे बॉक्स खोला, it was kept in Numan's like lap, and we have no idea कब उसने उठा ली. Like हमें खोले हुए कुछ सेकंड ही हुए थे, and he's like, Mama look, and then like blood dripping everywhere. Oof. And now look, let me see. Naughty boy. अब तो नहीं करेंगे ना? अब scissors यूज नहीं करनी है आली को, ठीक है? My God. And honestly, like we are in a constant save baby mode of parenting at the moment. Like he's just gotten wild. If you guys are in the same boat, I want to know, because this is intense. It's quite intense. Guys, we have come to Hounslow to iftar ke liye basically, and also we wanted to get a few gifts for people back home. So we were like, kyunki ab yahan pe hain and we can check out the stores at the high street. So we're just literally gonna go check out the stores that we see and let's see what we get. But I think हम लोग food market जाएंगे iftar के लिए. मेरा mood थोड़ा सा अजीब सा चल रहा है because I've had a really bad experience with a videographer on a video that I was making. I will talk about this more because this is unacceptable behavior, like unacceptable behavior. But हम बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. I got some really cute mugs which I'll show you. सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें ली. But now we're gonna go have iftar because time सिर्फ 10 minute बचे हैं, so we're gonna order and then wait for our order and then we're gonna go to TK Maxx. I'm excited for that. Guys, we're thinking hot bird. Guys, look, we have chaat and we have the burger. Ooh, it's gonna be yummy. जूस लिया था मैंने और नुमान ने, और आलिया ने कब्जा करके बैठ गए और कह रहे हैं आप और डेडा शेयर करें, मेरा एक कब्जा ग्रुप. Guys, take 2. Yeah.
I'm going to Pakistan.
You're going to Pakistan.
I'm going to call them.
कैसे जा रहे हैं हम?
Railway.
प्लेन में जा रहे हैं? Okay. Now can I talk? Is it my turn now?
No, it's my time.
Okay.
I'm going to get a car.
You're going to get a car? Okay. Anything else? Okay. Now keep looking out the window. हम लोग खड़े हैं विंडो के सामने because we are waiting for a delivery to come. I ordered a bag from Guess and I am waiting for it to be delivered. I paid express shipping ताकि वो हमारे जाने से पहले आ जाए. कल आना था and apparently we missed him because I don't know how that happened because I don't think he rang the bell. So I definitely think he lied. तो आज हम कोई चांसेस नहीं ले रहे. मैं और आलियान जासूसों की तरह दरवाजे पे खड़े हुए हैं, खिड़की पे खड़े हुए हैं. पहले हम दरवाजे पे Where? Oh, but that's just another uncle and auntie. So we don't want to take any chances of missing our delivery. We will get the delivery today, inshallah. खड़े हुए हैं खिड़की पे. It says 12:55 पे arrival है, but अभी सिर्फ 12 बजे हैं, so we're just being cautious, as you do. There's a guy coming with a box. I think he could be it. He could be it. Yup. He's walking towards the door. Does he ring the bell? Yeah, we're coming. It's here. I look so bad for this bag right now. I don't know if I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oh wait, I am. Let's go open it. Let's open it. Ali, tell me. Oh, Johnny, first things first. New wallet. Let's open the wallet. How is it?
Nice.
Is it nice? There we go. It's a nice wallet. As for the bag, this is the bag. It's green and it's beautiful. Aliyan फरार हो चुके हैं मेरे बैग के साथ. Officially, it is his bag now. हम तो borrow करेंगे. ये देखें. Let's show them the bag. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's the bag. I mean, वो मुझसे बेहतर लग रहा है. So yeah, that's the bag. I'll show you proper detail में once he's asleep. Right, we have managed to put Alian to bed. मगर साथ में मैं भी सो गई थी. So I don't know how much alone time I have now, but I'm thinking कि मैं इस time में थोड़े घर की सफाई करूँ because I have just got to know कि Numan's cousin is here in London, and so he might be coming over, probably during iftar or after iftar. But we need to get the house clean, and I don't have a lot of time. So let's do that. Look at what we deal with. This is a roundabout. I'm gonna leave that. House is clean, and I'm gonna show my new bag because मैं अभी साफ सुथरी होके आ गई हूँ. बाल wash कर लिए हैं मैंने, and look at the bag. It is beautiful. पहले मैं ना ये छोटे में ले रही थी, but then I was like, you know what, we can double this as Alian's bag and my bag. Like, I don't want to carry two bags. You can just dump stuff. So I love it. I love the print. I love the pattern. I love it. I love the color. And I think ये काफ़ी rough and tough use किया जा सकता है for a daily bag. And yeah, I like it. Look, we have made the rolls. These are chicken cheese rolls, and as I mentioned, they're from my mother-in-law's recipe. बहुत easy है. Boneless chicken लें, frying pan में डालें, पूरी shredded. सही है, you got to shred the chicken. उसमें नमक, काली मिर्च, कुटी हुई लाल मिर्च. I also put a little bit of लाल, like normal regular लाल मिर्च, and sweet chili sauce. वो डालें and then fry it. I mean, जब तक chicken पूरी होना चाहिए. Then put in cheese. You can put like any cheddar, mozzarella, whatever cheese you want to put, and then put capsicums at the very end, and then it's done. And just make them into rolls. And then these are not deep fried. ये जो है ना, ये हम frying pan में करेंगे. These are not deep fry करते ना तो ये जल जाती है. So if you want them nice and juicy and all that, you can air fry them, or you can fry them on the shallow fry them basically. Mug collection is ever growing. I'm obsessed with mugs for some reason. I got this one from Primark kal, and it says tired, and I was just like, this is so on brand for me, because yeah. And then just आप खत्म करेंगे, it says awake. So I loved that. I can't wait to have my coffee in these mugs as soon as Ramzan ends. Obviously I'm not having coffee, but that's what it looks like, and I am obsessed. ये एक हॉल बन गया है. कल TK Maxx से मैंने ये spatulas तो नहीं लगी, चमचे ले. These were silicone चमचे, and they're so useful in cooking. And हमें ना एक basically tweezers कह रही हूँ. What do you call these? Lack of a better word, चिमटा चाहिए था. So we got this. I literally can't remember कि इसको क्या बोलते हैं, तो अभी मेरा रमज़ान रोज़ा ब्रेन को इग्नोर करें. But yeah, I got this for frying, and this is gonna be a game changer, like legit a game changer. तो हम ये इस्तेमाल करेंगे आज frying के लिए. Very excited. Exciting times. Being an adult is exciting, let me tell you. बहुत exciting चीज़ें होती हैं. You get excited for spoons. I mean, I have never in my life been excited for spoons, but now I am. That just goes to say I'm easy to please. Being an adult means you're easy to please. Guys, roll frying time. We made some mini rolls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we can do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's good enough. So that was the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was our very first Ramzan experience in London. We were only there for a week. As you guys know, we're in Pakistan now. The next vlog will be surprising our family and flying to Pakistan. So stay tuned. That will be up very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon in my next week's vlog.